imposed an immediate ban on sugar exports until September 30th, 2026 to boost domestic availability and control prices amid tightening supply concerns. The move comes as sugar production faces pressure due to the diversion of sugarcane towards ethanol blending programs, reducing the raw material available for sugar manufacturing. India is also witnessing a second consecutive year of tight supply, with production estimated at around 27.5 million tons against domestic consumption demand of nearly 28 million tons. The Directorate General of Foreign Trade announced that the export policy for sugar, including raw material, white and refined varieties, has now been changed from restricted to prohibited until September 30th, 2026. Earlier, exports were allowed only through licenses. However, the ban will not only apply to exports to the European Union under CXL arrangements and to the United States under tariff rate quota commitments. Shipments under advanced authorization, government-to-government agreements and consignments already in the export pipeline have also been exempted. India had already allowed nearly 16 lakh tons of sugar exports during the 2026-26 marketing year, though actual shipments are expected to remain lower at around 7.5 to 8 lakh tons. According to the Indian Sugar and Bioenergy Manufacturer Association, sugar production is estimated at 29.3 million tons after ethanol diversion. Following the announcement, shares of several sugar companies declined sharply on Thursday. Dhampur sugar mills fell by nearly 7%, while Dwaraki Sugar Industries, Uttam Sugar Mills, Bajaj Hindustan Sugar, Mavana Sugars, Dalmia Bharat Sugar, Triveni Engineering, Balrampur Chini Mills and Sri Renuka Sugars also recorded losses. Despite the fall in sugar stocks, benchmark indices closed higher, with the BSE Sensex rising by 522.64 points to 75,131.62 and the NSE Nifty gaining 95.65 points to close to 23,508.25. The government's decision has drawn criticism from industry leaders. Senior Nationalist Party Congress leader Jayant Patil said the move, taken without proper prior planning, could deliver a doubling blow to sugar mills in Maharashtra and push the sector towards a crisis. So viewers, will the export ban help stabilize domestic sugar prices, or could it create a bigger crisis for sugar mills and farmers in the coming months? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.